Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And what do you hear? Isn't it great? Peace and quiet, no boss, just me. Working. Love it. Okay, so we have the first two pipes wrapped and strapped. I'm trying to put all the clamps to the back of the engine so that with everything being on, you won't really see them. So we've got these two wrapped. Now I'll grab the other wrap, do these two small rungs, and then I'll start the double wrap here, come down to here, and this one's gonna be a quadruple all the way up immediately. So what I may do, no, I don't have to. So I'll do the quadruple wrap here, all the way down to the collector flange, just like I did this one. I'll show you guys again because I had to put the other straps on. So that's done. So we got our double clamp here for the pipe. We got our triple clamp here for the triple. I didn't put one here because we don't have clamps big enough. So I put one here for another triple, just being the safe side. So we're good all the way through. But I took that as far as I could and left that just loose enough for Bobby to do what he's got to do to hook up the exhaust. So, but yeah, it's getting there, guys. And it looks so good on the engine. I can't wait to get this thing finished. It's going to be wonderful. But yeah, let us know what you think with the idea for the colors for here, because I think it'll look really, really good. And I think it'll kind of make the engine stand out a little bit more. But yeah, getting everything done yesterday. I still got to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and get these bolts painted. And we got to put the spacer back here for the alternator so we can get everything nice and tight. We'll do one at a time and get everything going. But yeah, this is coming out a lot better than I planned on. It really is. We're trying to use as much original stuff as we can without purchasing new to help cut back on expenses, help cut back on the build cost, and kind of make it still original to a point, you know? I mean, because it's the original numbers matching engine. But yeah, it's coming out really, really nice, guys. I can't wait to make this just, oh, it's going to look so good. Okay, well, let me get back to work here, and I've got some peace and quiet. So I'm putting my music back on, and we're going to jam. And on that note, isn't she pretty? And here we are back, and it is all done. Wrapped, strapped, and ready to go. That came out so nice. Let's see if I can get that a little bit better that way. Come on, balance. There we go. That came out so nice. There we go. This one's going to be kind of a short one. So I'll do a bit of scrubbing and cleaning with a wire brush, make things look better. And there we go. Yeah, this side's got to be cleaned up before we can have any gaskets on it. Same thing with the other one. Right now, I think it's just kind of mock up before we do anything. And I will make this look as pretty as I can get it. All right, guys, I'm going to keep it short because I got a lot to do by myself right now. God, she looks so pretty. You. All right, on that one, we'll let you go.